taking a look at gold. We're going to come up with a trade plan. Just quickly before I do, this is a Gold EA trading bot that I can connect your MetaTrader 4 or 5 to. 2 years of history. If you want to find out about this, just DM me in Telegram. My Telegram DM is in the video description below. Right, this is passive income. We can connect your account to this. And this is complimentary when you join our VIP. And you can contact me through to contact us on my website, anthonyfx.com. So let's get back to the video. We'll just send this over to TradingView as well. So gold's been holding up. We can see here, I'm bullish at the moment. It's trending up quite nicely, as we can see. So if we go down time frames, in fact, before we do, we'll just quickly grab I'll anchor a volume profile, and I want to catch this high back down to the low and just work out what we've got going here. So at the moment, this is trading through this point of control. I'd like to see it break above that and push higher. The other thing you want to do with this is go down to the lower time frame, even a 15-minute time frame, but you've got the bigger picture volume profile, but you can throw in a fixed range volume profile, and I just want to grab like the high and low, this range where, yeah, that's the low point there across. All right, so you've got this range right here, and you could argue, if you're into chart patterns, that could be a bearish head and shoulders, but I think my bias is bullish with this. In any case, I would be looking for a break of this. This is how I would approach this. I'd like to see it break above this. See all this here, this value range? If it breaks up in here and then we get a pullback there, okay, I would be interested in going long. If this breaks out of this, let me just take that out. Right, I'm really interested in this section here at the moment more than anything. So if we break out and we come back to retest this level, that was what I would be definitely interested in. That, all right, and then my target would be this high. All right, so then I would be looking to go long, tight stop, under the previous low, and that would be target 1, and then go for broke for target 2. Probably take 60% off the table at target 1. That's what I would be looking to do. That's kind of what I'm looking at now. If it breaks under, then there would be a short opportunity. So I'll just say long here, buy if it does that. All right, you got to look at this range, and if it breaks below the range, then it's possibly an opportunity to get short. If it was to break under here, all right, so that could be a sell opportunity. At the moment, there's nothing really on offer. It's kind of range bound. No, it's sell under here. No, it's very simple. When it breaks the range, look for the opportunity. Okay, guys, that's my take on gold. I'd love it if you comment. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm just going to grab that, copy it, and stick it down here. All right, so we've got these two important levels. It's to do with the range, right? So see how it's range bound from the high to the low to the high, breaks out. Okay, back to the low, back to the high. So it's basically just working its way up and down. All right, so this is where big money would be either accumulating longs or shorts. All right, now if we break out of this range, the value area, then possibly we're going to price discovery, and then we're looking for another, an expansion. But yeah, it could head in either direction. But at the moment, it's definitely looking bullish. We're above this point of control here, this red line through here. So that's positive. All right, that's my take, guys. Love it if you comment. With that, have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.